beginning to crack. That have only got worse over time as well. Morning guys, here at Andrew's Car Centre today, taking you through a 2016 wet belt replacement on a Ford Fiesta Z-Tech. This vehicle was actually diagnosed elsewhere and then brought to us for the work. Basically, I'll show you step by step and why it's quite a labour intensive job, why we use Ford genuine parts and what we do here at Andrew's Car Centre. So you're going to start by stripping it down so we can gain access to the wet belt. We're also going to strip the intake and the exhaust catalytic converter so we get access to the sump later down the line to clear that out. Slightly different to what we do usually is that we're taking the AC compressor down at the same time as the sump due to these bolts here and here actually being prone to snapping. We've taken the gasket out so it'll actually drop the whole unit, this and the sump at the same time, so we'll get better access to the sump after that. Let's see what we've got. Oh, get a light on that. It's lovely and blocked. So that's basically belt debris, which is in the pickup, the strainer in there. That just needs to be cleared out. That's why the oil lights come on, because the engine's actually getting deprived of oil as it can't go up through there. And what condition it's in. See some very heavy cracking along the lines there. That'll be why the pickup is so bad. Not the worst you've seen. Alright, these lovely little blue tools down here, what we use to actually time it up. The faceplate's now been taken off the side, as you can see. And we've also got down there the oil pump belt as well, which gets changed during the process. Often overlooked is the oil filter for the turbo feed. Basically, you take that out and you clean that off as it can get blocked up as well. Alright, all cleaned up and ready to go back in. The issue with not doing this, if you were to leave it, is that it can actually starve the turbo of oil. But yeah, we'll get that put back in. Now the belt's off, you can actually see how badly that was beginning to crack. That have only got worse over time as well. It may not seem like a lot, but this belt debris would be enough to block the strainer because the surface area of the strainer isn't a lot. Like I say, quite thick as well. Right, new Ford genuine belt fitted, all marked up on the side. I have experience, we use the genuine parts because of the price difference. Quality is just much better. We've also got the oil pump belt at the bottom as well. Jason's now just going to go through the process of rebuilding this all, and we'll show you when it's all done. Alright, all built back up. Just run a health check on the vehicle now. It's the powertrain control module, that's the big one, the PCM. What we'll also do now is take it for a test drive, then rescan it just to make sure that no other codes have come back on. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully it's given some insight into what we do here at Andrew's Car Centre as part of our Ford EcoBoost wet belt change. Just to recap everything that we've done, we fit only for genuine parts. You actually get a free courtesy car for the days that you're here and the car's on site. We take the sump off and also clean the strainer as part of the process just to ensure that everything's a-okay. I think the best thing about what we do here as well is at the interim service, because we're doing an oil and filter change, we actually finish the rest of the service and include that as part of the price as having the vehicle here. If you're interested or if you want to speak to one of our team just to get some more information, you can either message us on our website, drop us an email or call us on the 01522 520 747. If not, we'll see you in the next video.